got like a whole day of rain coming tomorrow. All day is what it's looking like. So I think I'm gonna chop some firewood, and that way if it rains most of the day, I can hang out by a fire at least. Watch the fire and watch videos, whatever. So I figured I'd get me a piece of this good oak right here. Chop that up into little pieces, and we'll get some other stuff that we got laying around, and I'm gonna chop a bunch of firewood, put it under the shelter so it stays dry, and I can burn a fire all I want to. Dang right. Some maple. That's some good burning stuff right there. Maple's good for woodworking and burning. Big pieces I need to. Oh yeah. Ooh, there's a nice piece of oak. Not bad right there. That'll burn. Well, hard to split ones. I think that might be enough for a couple days. Maybe. I am a pyro, so. But that looks like a good load. Big Daddy. Nap time.
What are you doing?
This is what my rainy days are like.
What are they like?
Very peaceful. Talking about a good nap when it's raining. Try to tarp life. Check this out. 1611 edition, King James version. I hadn't looked at this thing in a while, and Holly had it sitting over here. So I opened it up and looked at something that I do not recall seeing or noticing in this Bible. But this is Genesis, the first book of Moses, called Genesis. It says the creation of the world. So I found this, I was reading this and I found this very interesting. The creation of heavens and earth, of the light of the firmament. This book literally says firmament in it. So I thought that was that's pretty interesting. So look, we go down here. Where's that? I guess I could read the whole thing. Where'd I see that at? I'm looking through the phone, so I'm trying to focus on this too. And God made the firmament and divided the waters. It seems like most Bibles say God split the waters, but in this one it literally says the firmament. And then up here, and God called the firmament heaven. Pretty interesting. Look up the firmament. See what it says. I thought that was pretty cool. I like this Bible. I'm gonna have to read more of it. That's pretty interesting to see stuff like that in an old 1611 Bible that you might not have seen in other Bibles. Almost burned all that firewood. Well, I think this thing's lasted about 2 years. I think 2 years before the muffler literally fell off. Muffler literally broke right there. And then a piece broke right there. So now this thing's super loud. I gotta find a muffler for this thing. I don't think there's any repairing that. I don't know a way to really put that back together unless I find someone with a welder maybe. I don't know, but I think even then it's just need a new one. I don't know, I guess I can look on Amazon or something. Don't know. This thing is very loud now. Here we go again.
Looking sharp.
It's getting there. Oh, the Husky don't have the grease hole. This still one don't have a grease hole either. That's nuts. Stay.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. So we just added to your video.
I haven't heard that sound in a long time. That intro. Alright, we got these 5 all sharp, all fueled up and oiled up and ready to cut all kinds of stuff, because we got a ton of stuff to cut, clean up, bunch of milling to do. And then I was like, I need to cut that in half, because this, I think I'm gonna turn this into 2 posts for the cabin porch. Kind of on the side, we're gonna build a porch and a walkway, so I need like at least 2 posts out of this, 2 long ones. So I need to sharpen my other chainsaw to cut this. So today I am going to sharpen this milling chain also. We also have this big piece of oak back here that is immovable like the earth because it's so dang heavy. So I need to cut this also. One time, I think I'm just gonna basically cut this thing in half. I mean, this is a huge, heavy oak beam right here. I don't need it that big for anything that I can think of right now. I don't know, I gotta think about this one, but I also have this one I gotta do something with that I just kind of let sit here. My bar messed up on me when I was actually milling this, so I couldn't mill with it anymore, and I didn't want to I didn't want to mess with it anymore after I messed up my bar as far as milling boards. So this is just gonna be a big beam for something, probably the next foundation maybe that we do. Coffee time. All right, the last saw and the last side. I already did all these angles. Now I gotta come do all of these, and we're about to have all the saws sharpened. It's pretty exciting. It feels good to have them all razor sharp, fueled up, and just ready to grab them as you need them and start ripping through some wood. Dang right. I think tomorrow, I hadn't really looked at the weather. It's been real cloudy today. Rained all day yesterday. So it was sunny part of the day today. Then it just stayed kind of just cloudy and a little unmotivating, but I got a lot done still. This is a big step to just sharpen all of them and get them all ready. That's pretty cool. I don't normally do that. I normally sharpen 1 or 2, but I got a lot of cutting to do this time, so I decided to go ahead and get all these things prepped today and ready for cutting. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna have enough boards milled to actually cover the whole roof of the cabin. Right. Oh, gotta give the elbow a break after a couple minutes. Oh my gosh. My elbow hurts after sharpening all them saws. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, well, I'll be back in it tomorrow cutting. For a brand new trailer. All the saws sharp. I'm pretty excited. I should wake up in the morning pretty dat-gum motivated. Not only are they getting sharp, but I blew all of them out with the air compressor. They're all pretty dang clean. No wood chips or nothing on them. The steel right here, this thing was super dirty. I don't even remember the last time I ran it and used it, but it was super dirty. I blew all that out, got it all cleaned up, cleaned the filters on all these things. But we ready. We are ready. All of them are clean. Ready to get dirty again. Yeah, I blew them all out. Even got my little carving saw here. It's pretty much, I use this for framing and stuff, as you've seen, notching and cutting smaller boards and stuff. And I use this a lot instead of using a circular saw. So that's kind of my frame, a little framing saw there. Pick that up with one hand, and it's just light. And that little bar, and it's got a real thin chain on it, so thing definitely cuts pretty smooth and nice. So dang right.